Hello everybody, this is the Uncut Tree, back here again with some Halo Wars. Once again, really loud.
Hard starboard!
Hard starboard, aye. Captain, they are charging weapons.
Battle stations, bring weapons online. Tell Forge he's not done out there yet.
Alerting the sergeant. Aye, sir. So, am I the only one freaked out by the fact we're inside the planet? Captain, we need damage control, or the Spirit of Fire is going down.
Forge, use Cyclopses to repair the power core while you defend against Covenant attacks.
All units.
All I heard in that is more, I need Cyclopses. That's all I ever need, is only Cyclopses. Nothing else matters.
They're attacking our power core!
Oh, I forgot this game had Hawks.
All units.
I actually forgot about those. Huh.
More resources required.
I repair those, or are those like stuck broken?
Captain, they're transporting invasion forces onto the hull.
I know. I mean, it's pretty obvious they'd be doing that. So.
Turret complete. Turret
We're
complete.
gonna go here, but the Cyclops. No. You guys are healing that. Everyone else, we're gonna hold the line.
Cyclops, good to go.
Oh, I can just get straight Hawks. Nice. That's good. That's really good, actually.
Standing by. Yes, sir.
Time to repair the power core. Core? Time to repair power core.
Standing by. Yes, sir.
All units.
Changing course.
Turret complete.
Oh, we got Locust. You move up. You know what?
Too easy.
Can you hijack that?
Cyclops.
Give me the Locust. That's a shield. I like that.
Set. Standing by. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh-oh, shooting something.
Cyclops.
It's
Reporting.
over here. What's shooting me? Nothing? Okay. More Locust. Oh, hey, there's a crash one. That's kind of... What is that? What is
They're
that?
attacking with both aircraft and ground troops. We should upgrade our turrets to counter appropriately.
I know how this game works,
All units.
Serena. Oh, hey, my Marines are fully upgraded. That's nice.
Turret complete.
They can attack those. I really don't care, honestly. Oh, I did not mean for you guys to do that. Go back to go back to repairing. Oh, excuse me. That's pretty close. I think we got the ground
Turret
pretty
complete.
well. I'll probably end up making these anti-air, but I don't know yet. How's this? That's coming along real nice. So it's really nice that my Marines have, I mean, is it just making these regularly? Because I don't remember making this many of them.
Yes, sir.
Or am I just dumb? Am I dumb and I made that many? Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this to infantry. This one to maybe anti-vehicle. Add anti-air in here. Yep, yep. I also need anti-air. Oh, they got through anyway. That's great. I don't know how to repair the damn power core. Okay,
Our power core has been repaired about halfway.
good.
Turret
That's good.
improved.
If they want to focus on breaking all this down here, more to them. Like, I really don't care.
Turret improved.
I'm gonna upgrade you to anti-air. Wait. Whatever. I can never have too much anti-air.
More resources required.
Yep, exactly. Never have too much anti-air.
Turret improved.
How's repairing coming? It's coming pretty nice.
Hawk up.
Our power core is about 75% repaired.
All units.
Don't do that. Nope, don't do that. I lied. Don't press all units. That's bad.
More resources required.
Oh. Send you guys down here then. Send the Hawks.
Hawk on the way. Hawk on station. Back. En route. Moving out.
I think I'm gonna leave the anti-air boys down here.
All units.
I'm gonna leave the anti-air boys down here. They're more needed.
Healing target.
Yeah, I'll move the anti-air boys down here. They might be needed more down here. Again, like I said, you can never have too much anti-air.
On the way.
I guess I lost the,
Ready. Ready. Oh, get it.
Get it, I want that. I like that vehicle.
Improved.
I like, oh, never mind, it's gone. Oh, never mind, it's gone. Don't worry about it, it's gone.
You got it.
Oh, the core's pretty much repaired. So,
All units.
Closing in.
Local units.
you're telling me that's not repaired? Oh,
The
okay.
power core is fully repaired. Serena, best speed away.
Well, that was a quick mission. Well, oh, I got a gold on this one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.